Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about 8th class math lectures. So in the previous lecture, we will start our first chapter, that is rational number. So today our topic is reciprocal of rational number. So what is the reciprocal of rational number? A rational number b by a is called reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of a rational number a by b if a by b multiply by b by a is equal to b by a multiply by a by b is equal to क्या है हमारा 1 आए. सो एक हम एग्जांपल लेते हैं. टेक एन एग्जांपल. इफ वी हैव ए रैशनल नंबर दैट इज 8 by 13. So what is the reciprocal of this number? Reciprocal of 8 by 3 is 13 by 8. 8 by 3 is 13 by 8. So we will also see that 8 by 3 multiply by 13 by 8 is equal to 13 by 8 multiply by 8 by 13 is equal to 1. 8 से 8 कैंसिल, 13 से 13 कैंसिल, यहाँ पे 13 से 13, 8 से 8 कैंसिल. Ultimately 1 is equal to 1. So it is a reciprocal of a rational number. Now you have to note that reciprocal of 0, since there is no rational number which multiplied by 0 gives the product, therefore 0 has no reciprocal. So if we multiply, we take b as a 0. In this example, if a by b, if we take b is equal to 0, then this rational number is not defined. This rational number is not defined. So you have to always remember that reciprocal of 0 is not exist. Reciprocal of 0 is not exist. If we take reciprocal of 0, then what we will get? 1 by 0, and 1 by 0 is not defined. We will call it as a infinity. We will call it as a infinity. So reciprocal of 0 is not exist. आपको ये याद रखना है कि जो 0 है हमारा, उसका रेसिप्रोकल एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता है, नॉट डिफाइन होता है. ठीक है. नाउ the reciprocal of non-zero rational number a by b is written as a by b to power minus 1. So it is the representation of reciprocal of a rational number. Reciprocal of a rational number a by b. अगर हमें a by b के rational number की reciprocal को राइट करना है तो हम उसको क्या लिखेंगे? a by 5 की पावर minus 1. a by 5 की पावर क्या? minus 1. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल 7 by 6 की पावर minus 1, तो क्या आएगा हमारा ये 6 by 7. हमने इसको क्या कर देना है? उल्टा कर देना है. ठीक है. जैसे ही माइनस का 5 by 9 की पावर minus 1 है, तो ये हमारा क्या हो जाएगा? 9 by minus 5. So these are the example of the reciprocal of a rational numbers. So now you have to find some problems that we have to given by in these questions. So let us solve a question that is, verify that a minus b raised to power minus 1 not equal to a raised to power minus 1 minus b raised to power minus 1. So we have given a is equal to minus 7 by 19 and b is equal to minus का 11 by 13. So first of all we will find a minus b. So a minus b raised to power minus 1. We have to find first of all this. So what is a? That is minus का 7 by 19, and what is b? Minus में minus का 11 by 13. सो माइनस माइनस हमारा क्या बन जाएगा? प्लस. Now we will take LCM of these two rational number because the denominator is not same. So we will take LCM of these. LCM of these 19 and 13 is 247. So here we will get 91 and plus 209. So ultimately this rational number is 118 divided by 247. Now what is the reciprocal of this? What is the reciprocal of this? We will give denominator as upper side and numerator as lower side. So 247 divided by 118. So our ultimately result of this a minus b raised to power minus 1 is this. Now we will find a raised to power minus 1. So what is the a raised to power minus 1? A raised to power minus 1 is, what is the a raised to power minus 1? A is minus 7 by 19 raised to power minus 1, that is 19 by minus 7. Now what is the b raised to power minus 1? Reciprocal of b, minus का 11 by 13. We will call it as a reciprocal. We would call it as a reciprocal of b. So what is the reciprocal of b? 13 by minus 11. 13 by minus 11. Now look at this. Here the LCM is given. Here the LCM is given. That is, now we have to add a inverse, subtract. We have to a reciprocal of a minus reciprocal of b. Then what is the reciprocal of a? We will find minus k 19 by 7. This minus will be goes on upper side. This minus also will be goes on upper side. Then minus k 19 by 7 और minus करेंगे minus का ही 13 by 11. Ultimately here sign will be positive. Now we will take LCM of this. So this is equal to minus का 118 divided by 77. And here we will get what result? Here 2047 divided by 118. So these are not equal. This number and this rational number are not equal. So our result will be verified. So this is the method by which you can find the reciprocal of any rational number. So what is today's homework? You have to complete exercise 1.6 as your homework. You have to complete exercise 1.6. Now this is the end of your lecture. Thank you.